So back with another easy, quick pasta today. We're going to do fresh tomatoes, chicken, broccoli, really easy, delicious. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in the center there, I've got my pasta. Get your pasta cooked. We're really going to concentrate on the sauce really. I'm using this farfalle. Cooked, you can use penne, tagliatelle, spaghetti. It's up to you which pasta you want to use. I've got there about 4 cups of cooked pasta. Here I've got fresh tomatoes. We're going to do this with a fresh tomato today. You could do it with a canned tomato. I'm just going with fresh today. There's roughly about the same. There's maybe 3 or 4 cups of tomatoes there cut. 2 cups of broccoli. 2 cups, I'm saying 2 cups, or 1 large breast of chicken there. 1 cup of onion. 2 teaspoons of oregano. 1 tablespoon of pesto. I'm using a red pesto. Of course, you could use a green one. And then here, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Really simple. Let's get moving. Okay, so you're going to need a wok, pan, a skillet or something. I'm going with this. In there, I've got some oil, 3 tablespoons. I'm using olive oil. You could use a different oil if you want. Heat is on, above medium. 1 cup of onions. One tablespoon garlic. And then our chicken, no skin, no bone. Cut into fairly, little bite-sized pieces. Cut it into strips maybe if you wanted. Salt. Black pepper, nice couple of pinches of black pepper for me. Above medium heat. About 4 minutes. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to add our fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice, ripe, juicy tomato because we want those to cook down as much as we can. To that, I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of dried oregano. Now you could be using something else, couldn't you? Tarragon, basil, one of those Italian mixed herb things. And we're going to go now for about 5 minutes. What we want is these tomatoes to break down a bit, and if you've used a juicy tomato, you're going to get some moisture from it. So as you can see, I've got a ton of liquid from my tomatoes. That's because my tomatoes were nice and ripe. They're breaking down really nicely. We're now going to add in our broccoli into the mix. We're staying on this above medium heat, fairly vibrant heat as you can see. We're going to add that pesto, tablespoon of pesto. Like I said, I'm using this red one. You could use more of a traditional green one if you want. Now if you want, chop some black olives in there or something like that. If you want, add a little bit of chili, give it a little bit of life. I'm going to go just for 2 minutes, then we add our pasta. That's a beautiful fresh tomato chicken broccoli sauce we have. Okay, let's get our pasta, drop it in, our cooked pasta. We're going to throw that around in the pan for another 3 minutes or so. Get some heat for it because it was cooked earlier and it's cold now. But that's it, job done. Check that for salt and pepper, it's going to be great for me. I'll see you once I stick this on a plate. All right, bing bang bung, done. Really simple, delicious chicken, tomato, broccoli, pasta. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.